I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to download and sign up on GroupMe app. To download the app, first of all open up App Store on your phone. After you open up App Store, on bottom right you can see a search option. Tap on it. Now enter GroupMe on your search bar. After that, tap on the search button which is on bottom right of your keyboard. There on top you can see the app. Tap on it and tap on Get to download the app. It will take few minutes to download the app. This way you can easily download GroupMe on your phone. Now to sign up, tap on Open. At the bottom of the page you can see the option of Create an account. Tap on it. Now to sign up, you can continue with your email, with Facebook or with Microsoft. Here I'm going to continue with my email. Set your avatar by taking a photo or by uploading it. To upload a picture, first select your picture. After you have selected, adjust the picture, and when you are done, tap on Done, which is on bottom right corner. Now enter your name, your email address and your password. After you are done, tap on I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy and then tap on Create account. If you like your password to be saved on your device, tap on Save Password, and if not, tap on Not Now. Now enter your phone number. Tap on Get PIN when you are done. Now GroupMe will send you a PIN to verify your phone number. Enter the PIN and when you are done, tap on Verify. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you like GroupMe to access your contact. Tap on OK. Another pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you like GroupMe to send you notification. Tap on Allow. This way you can easily sign up on GroupMe app. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.